Well, we do want to tell you that if you're shopping for anything with Victoria today, we're going to give you an extra flex pay, which is always a welcome addition. 1-800-695-1418 is that number to call, or you can apply visiting hsn.com as we roll along to what has truly been the most popular item, other than the today's special that we previewed. In my hand, no, you can't buy this, but in my hand, I have a larger version of what is basically, and I have lotion on my hands, so I'm slipping and sliding. I have a larger version of, oh, there you go.
Yeah, can you believe it?
Now, okay, this is unique. It's absolutely exclusive to Victoria and HSN. Tell us all about this, because there's a lot of faceting in there.
There's a lot of faceting. It's 177 facets. And what's really unique about this is I don't believe there's ever been extra faceting involving a princess cut. If you remember, princess cut is a cut that wasn't perfected until 1962. Cushion cuts have been perfected even from the days of the royals back 100 years. But princess cut, because of the sharper corners, have not been perfected since until 1962. So even to this day, princess cuts out there normally 41 to 52 facets. The Victoria, I've seen some as many as 54. The Victoria Wieck faceting here on princess cuts here on HSN, the regular ones are 58 facets. So we're already giving you more than the industry standard. But 177 facets, ladies, that's like over the top beautiful. It's like that should be almost illegal. You know what I mean? We should call it the illegal cut or something. Seriously, it is amazing. I was so fortunate to run into this gentleman years ago. I want to say this fellow is like a mad scientist. He has like a PhD in engineering, sort of started, working in the family business and wanted to learn how to do, facet engineering, that's what he calls it. Has a whole staff of people. When I draw something, they will actually work on faceting, simulate it over and over, cut it, and experiment with it. And he said, you know what, one day I'm going to make you this faceting that will just literally make your eyes pop. Well, took him 20 years.
No way.
But 20 years later, he calls. Now, I've been doing business with him all that time.
Yeah.
But he said, you know what, Victoria, I finally have something. The only trouble is I can only make like one a year. I said, really? So he sends me this diamond piece with the appraisal. I was telling you, it was like a half-carat stone. Yeah. And in fact, when we launched this, I think I had the appraisal with us. It was like $100 and some thousand.
Are you kidding me?
In genuine diamond. And he said, you know what, I have patents on this in many different countries everywhere. I want you to work with this. And I said to him, I'll work with the diamond piece only if I can do the absolute piece here, because I would like my HSN ladies to have it. And he said, Victoria, you're crazy. I couldn't even do this in a diamond. You want me to do this in a diamond simulant? And I said, yes, please. And I said it with a smile, and I told him, you know what? Our ladies have been waiting a really long time, too. So the bottom line with this is it's still very, very expensive to cut the stone. 177 pieces. It takes days for a person to cut one stone. And for us to be able to do this for 3 pieces for $129.
That's what it is.
I mean, like Robin said, how do we do it? How do we even do it? Because if this were like a regular absolute piece,
oh my gosh,
it would still be $129. It'd be great.
Victoria,
177 faceting. It's amazing. We should show. I'm going to try to see if I can hold it.
Because I put the worst hand cream on today, which I'm slipping and sliding. Let me tell you, the reaction to this is huge. I'll give you a sizing update. In the silver, we have size 5 and size 7.
And you are getting all three.
Yeah, you really do.
Those 2 other guards come in really handy. See if we can hold it.
Perfect. There we go. It's like a 2-man operation right here. Look at this. I love it.
It's a guy-girl team.
But you can see as that's blown up, a typical princess cut has like 47, 48 facets. Yeah, here on
42.
HSN, they have a slightly more as well, don't they, on HSN?
Yes, some of them.
But here, you're looking at how many?
177. That's amazing. It's hard to get your head wrapped around. But, it's not only 177. Look at how perfect it is. Look at how perfect the faceting is. It is so... But let me tell you, how many did you say? 370 reviews on HSN?
Yeah, basically.
Okay. Customer pick. That has to be the record-breaking in jewelry.
It has to be.
I mean, I don't know any other item that's got 377 reviews.
Well, people want something unique. People want something that's uniquely theirs. We know about, a round cut and a princess cut and cushion cuts. We love different cuts. The cut is really important. This is uniquely for you. So when you walk out and somebody sees this, they will ask you about it. Nobody else will have it. You and I could go with Victoria right now and travel halfway around the world and still not to be able to find the Mirabella-Cut. This is your three-piece set, so you can have so much fun with this. And let me tell you, it's not even just the Mirabella-Cut at the side. Victoria, you did baguettes around the gallery.
You know, this is another thing. We had a huge, huge discussion about this. Everyone said to me, when they see the Mirabella-Cut, our customers are going to go crazy. They're not even going to care. They're not even going to see the baguettes underneath. And I said, yes, they will.
Yeah.
Yes, they will. In fact, we want the baguettes because if you are a woman who could afford the real Mirabella, well, it is a real cut, but if you can afford the diamond version of it, believe me, you're going to want the baguettes in there. And so, you know, we did it. And didn't charge you. And then, you know what, the side rings, I'm just going to show you.
Okay,
you
right
can,
there.
These two rings, you can mix and match. This is the genuine, you know, orange sapphires with fire citrine. I just matched it. So it gives you a lot of options. I mean, this I think is like a whole other day special.
Oh my gosh! In itself, the only problem is we're down to like with everybody on the phone line.
100 pieces or something.
Less.
Okay.
There's like with everybody dialing in, there's like a couple of dozen at the most. So please stay on the phone line. Ask about the extra flex. Grab the bracelet, today's special, the San Marco, whilst you're there, because you're going to save on the shipping and handling. And on top of that, you're also